In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth and clean black bar transition in After Effects. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline. Create a black solid and apply following effects: CC Jaws, Optical Compensation, and Warp Chroma. Now follow the exact settings I'm using on screen. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to StrikeSpy, and I'll see you in the next one.